What is up, everybody? It is Facelift Friday, Facelift Friday, Facelift Friday. Yes, it's Facelift Friday's time. Turn that frown upside down. It's also September 11th, and like many of you, I remember exactly where I was when the second plane hit, watching on national television. I had one of my best friends actually working in New York at the time. He was one of those people covered in dust running out of the city. I remember my friend Ty, who serves in the military now, coming to get me, and we worked at a non-for-profit, a very large church, and at that time, every race, creed, and color for the next 2 days, every religion for the next 2 days came in and asked if they could pray, if they could bend their knee as Americans. We were together then. Guys, guess what? We're together now. We know what matters. We can love one another. We can get through this together. We need to keep remembering those moments of unity and feed off of those and start to cross those party lines and care for one another. Have a great weekend, you guys, because this is how we build a legacy that will far surpass our legend.